I told her to pass it. Get back. I told her to pass it. Get out of here. It's all good. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. How's it to the ball? Fuck that shit. I had the ball first. Fuck that shit. What? Slow down. Don't rush nothing. Here. He's baiting. Just be careful. It's all good. He's baiting. There we go. Let's get it, man! Let's go! Nice. Bro, 2K got me fucked up, yo. Let's go.
Took her money, they don't want no combo. And I need me to mention no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. But you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke with a cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the pot though. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands?
Alright, let's go. Let's get this game though. Legend game.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Excuse me. That was a good comeback last game. Flight was green every time. Come on, give me a green. Thank you. Let's go. Hey, Mo. Wait, I'm going here. Punch that, Mo. Oh, that's why he missed. I'm bored. Oh, yeah, another alley? I'll give it to Flight. Let's go. Oh. Oh, shit. Good catch. Good type of catch. Let's go. Bye. This better be the game, bro. Yeah, we could have 21 zipped them too. Fuck it. I'm tired. Should put on Gatorade. Hey yo. Oh my god. Oh, tired. Shit, man. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, leave him on 2 this game. Fuck that. This is the legend game, bro. Leave him on 2. Don't let him score. Don't let him score. Oh my god. Nah, he gonna miss. He's so. Let's go. Come on. Straight 3. I'm about to green it in his face. Ah, that's forced. Right back, Ammo. Oh, good shit. Whew. Oh, Ali. I bet let's go. I don't know why I feel like it's gonna make me play another game. Thing gotta be like 101% this time. Hey, you have 4 points, bro. Shut up. You have 4 points. 6. Got lucky. Bro, you have 0 too. Yo, let me ISO him. Let me ISO him. Let me ISO him. Come on. Let me ISO. You gonna get fried. That's why you gonna get fried. Matter of fact, I'm pulling that shit from here, bitch. Get the fuck off my court, bitch. Shut up. Get off my court. What the fuck? My game froze. My game froze. My fucking game froze. Oh, I'm about to say, what the fuck? Legend in that chat. Let's go. We had legend, bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this dumb toxic nigga. Shut the fuck up, bitch. You had 6 points. As a team, you had 0. You shot 0 for 2. You suck. Let's go. I thought Ronnie fucked that shit up. Let's go. Big ass. Bro, shut up, bro. Your mic is shitty. Take it back to GameStop. Take it back to, bro. Take that shit back to the deli, bitch. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, bitch. Your mic is ass, bro. Hold my dick in your mouth, nigga. Suck my dick. Let's go. Legend. Alright, y'all. You about to put on these badges. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Yeah, it should be. Hold up, y'all. Hop off. Hold on. My bad, y'all. Let's go. Finally, legend. Fuck that trivia shit. Let's go, legend. This shit look wavy. Let's go. Finally, yo. 10 extra badges on everything. God damn. Woo. 30 shooting badges, 30 playmaking, 20 defensive, 14 finishing. Let's go. Finally hit legend, bro. Longer than expected.
You can finally take a shower now.
Ah, that was funny. Oh, take showers, yo.
Shower. Brush his jibs.
Brush my teeth every day, man. Let's go, though. I'm about to put everything on Hall of Fame. I got, oh my god, look how many Hall of Fame badges I got.
He has.
Damn. Yeah, I'm about to put Engelberg at Hall of Fame too, bitch. Yeah, not all of them, but most of them. I'm about to just put mad extra stuff. Finally, yo, bro. I'm supposed to bend this shit. I'm about to get back on the court. I'm about to black. Let's go. Everything gold. I got like pickpocket on fucking Hall of Fame. And finally hit legend. Let's go. Flight probably be a legend by June. Let's go. I think my badges is finished. Alright, we can run a couple more real quick. Finally fucking hit legend though. Let's go. Got all the badges. Woo. Yeah, oh yeah, the helicopter entrance. Hold on, I'm about to do the helicopter entrance, matter of fact. I got a helicopter, right? Yeah, I'm about to join right back. Let's see the helicopter shit. I forgot about the helicopter shit. Let's fucking go. 5,000 bits. Shout out to J Rose with the 5,000 bits. Oh my god. Shout out to J Rose with the 5,000 bits, my nigga. Hold on, where J Rose in at? Appreciate the bits, bro. I didn't see that, my bad, bro. And anyone that sub, follow the stream, appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot, y'all. I love y'all. All y'all in the chat. That's the point. Wearing big ass greens. Green team is the money team. And by the way, I am sick a little bit. I got like a little stuffy nose. I probably sound different a little bit. Yeah, I had a sore throat for a minute. Not for a minute, like for a good like 5-6 days. Not 4 or 5 days. It's not the corona. Do not say it's the corona, bro. Look, 5,000 bits. I see you, J Rose, and I see you. Chat if you want to get this sub, but type me. I'm about to see right now. Woo, the music off too, right? Alright, bet. You about to do it, get this up. Hey, legend! You my copter, bitch. Let's go. Legend patting this bitch, man. Let's go. You about to do get the subs right now, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Before we end the video right here, bro, I have another perspective of me hitting legend with FlightReacts from his perspective himself, bro. His reaction. the toxicity from his point of view, bro. Let me know if it was a good or bad way to hit legend. This clip is from my TikTok. Yes, from my TikTok, bro. PRETTYBOYFREDO. Follow me on TikTok. Once again, if you don't know, I stream this whole legend grind on Twitch, bro. PRETTYBOYFREDO. Link will be in the description. You feel me? But this video is like 3 weeks old, basically, bro. My PS4 broke. My laptop broke. A lot of shit just been breaking, bro. I don't know why. I just got bad luck. CEO of bad luck. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. And make sure you hit the post notification bell button too, man. And stay safe and stay dangerous, man. I'm out, though.
Bro, like, why are you even talking shit, bro? The game. Damn. Why are you coming in the game chat screaming, bro? The game is over. Why'd you come on the mic? Oh, my man Pat's Legend. Oh my gosh. Pat's Legend, yo. This is the 2K community, yo.
Bitch, we got choppers. We kicking works like soccer. I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster. No kill. We proper, yeah. You know the gang gon' prosper, yeah. You niggas acting Oscars, yeah. How you put rats on rosters, huh? In my town, I'm jiggy.